I've been creating content on the internet for just over a year, and I've finally started to make some money from it. After a viral Medium article, some decent performing YouTube videos, and my first successful brush with referrals and affiliate marketing, my eyes have been opened and I have completely changed the way I think about this still very new landscape of making money on the internet. So I crunched the numbers. If you're new around here, my name's Jack Ross, and today I'm going to talk to you about what I changed in my content to immediately go from a handful of views and $0 to tens of thousands of views and hundreds of dollars per week. Medium is an open blogging platform where anyone can share their writings on any topic. And the cool part about this platform is that you can make money from your writing almost immediately through the Medium Partner Program. Here are my Medium stats for the last 30 days. I've been writing on Medium very inconsistently over the last 2 years, and I've only very recently started seeing the volume of views that you see now. So what did I change about my content to basically go from 0 views to tens of thousands of views per month? Now, I used to write about all kinds of topics from data science to philosophy, but around 2 months ago, I took a page out of the YouTube playbook, niche down. I started writing my articles for a specific group of people. Primarily people interested in productivity, technology, and content creation, as these 3 categories overlap quite a bit. This is an example of what happened when I wrote an article solving a problem and providing value to a specific group of people. Currently, I'm making about $10 to $15 per day from this article alone. And I was able to turn the blog post into a YouTube video that has outperformed most other videos on this channel. So these are my top 3 reasons for my rapid growth on this platform. Like I said earlier, creating content consistently for a specific group of people has been the biggest factor contributing to my growth in followers and email subscribers. When people know what to expect of you, they're much more likely to want to hear what you have to say. And if you make content about anything and everything, people won't want to follow along with you as a creator. For example, the overlap between finance blog readers and snowboard trick terminology blog readers are, aside from myself, basically 0. So making content for both of these niches isn't the best idea. Hook, intro, value, end screen, or hive as it's commonly referred to, is a formula used to give your content a more story-driven approach. As human beings constantly searching for meaning, good storytelling is the difference between failing and successful content. The more I focus on storytelling, the more people seem to enjoy my articles and videos. Typically, you only hear talk of title and thumbnail optimization from MrBeast level YouTubers, but this is something that applies everywhere. Even if your article or video is the best thing since sliced bread, it won't get a single view if people don't resonate with the title and thumbnail. Practicing title and thumbnail optimization on Medium has also been a very low-cost way of getting much better at this when it comes to YouTube. But honestly, this section is so incredibly important that it could be its own video. So comment if that's something that you'd like to see. So this is a monthly breakdown of my Medium growth over the last year and a half. And as you can see, these changes started working immediately after I implemented them. In the course of an entire year of making content, I went from 15 to 29 followers and 0 to 0 email subscribers. But after niching down, improving my storytelling, and optimizing my titles and thumbnails, I've been able to gain 300 followers, 32 email subscribers, and 11 referred Medium members in just the last 2 months. Like almost everything in life, Medium article and YouTube video performance is subject to the Pareto principle, commonly referred to as the 80-20 rule. This means that around 80% of your earnings from Medium and YouTube and other income streams will be from 20% of your content. Let me say that again if you weren't listening. 80% of your earnings will come from 20% of your content. Content creation is a numbers game. Once you create a piece of content, it starts spreading through various algorithms that inevitably lead people to engage with it. The more content you have flowing through these algorithmic pipes, the more people that will ultimately see your work. And this is where the serious money is made. So these are the 3 strategies that I've used to take my content from 0 views to tens of thousands in a matter of months. Here's a link to the video that exploded on my Medium account, and this is a video that YouTube thinks you would like. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.